What the fuck, Richard?
But I woke up every day. Oh shit.
How to draw a portrait. Head. Oh no. There you go. Watch this.
I'm just kidding. Look at all those chickens!
Hey everybody, today my brother pushed me, so I'm starting a Kickstarter to put him down. The benefits of killing him would be I would get pushed way less.
Hacking photosynthesis. I'm in.
I have banana peel on the ground. I'm gonna see if it's really slippery like it is in the cartoon.
Apply to the head and roll on.
Release all of those sounds that are trapped in your mind.
So I'm sitting there, barbecue sauce on my titties.
I'm washing me in my clothes. Bitch, I'm washing me in my clothes.
Happy Christmas. It's Christmas. Merry Crisis. Merry Chrysler.
We all die. You either kill yourself or get killed.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do?
Why are you making me sing? I hate singing. When do I even come in? I don't know.
I got the new Dr. Jay-Z beats, and pretty good. You know, my family got murdered and I didn't hear it.
Why is everybody afraid of love?
Love!
Oh!
That is so great, Jessica. 1 second. Shut your fucking mouth! Sorry about